Okay, now we're continuing Daf Tes Amud Beis, and we started we ended in the middle of a line because the time was up, and we learned the sugya that the Gemara said first that if Shimon agrees to Rabbi Yeshua, that Rabbi Yeshua that holds Yelaru Bimatama thing that goes le'ibud, that's his Chavos Shniya. But then we asked the question, we see that if Shimon does not agree because we see if Shimon means not Shimon of Bechiris, but the Shimon from our Brisa that says Heich Nisra Filet Tluyam Atmeya doesn't even allow Erev Pesach to burn Tluyam Atmeya. So you see, even if it goes le'ibud, does not allow to be Ma'abad B'Yadai. And for the Gemara, Tahir Vidvar Tahir Atish Exata Le'Isreifa. It was only B'Shah Shishas that's only Osam D'Rabbana. That's why you're not allowed to even Tluya, because still it's maybe Tar. So you cannot do anything with Shah Shishas. That's the point. The Shah Shishas is considered like it's nothing wrong with it at all. The fact that it's Tluya, okay, it's a Safik Tahira. So that's why Reb Shimon doesn't allow to do anything, Shah Shishas. But the Chavos Shniya, Reb Shimon might agree to be sure that since it goes Le'ibud, you're allowed to be Matama V'Yadai. You're allowed to receive the Truma with Kalim Tamei. So the Gemara is going to say now, what is the issue? Shimon says you're not allowed to burn Tluya Tameya. Didn't it become possible? This question should be on every Tluya. Or maybe it means only Tluya B'Erev Pesach, because you know there's not too much time left over, so you must see das from it. A whole year you save it, maybe Eliyahu comes. I think it sounds more from the Yerushalmi that is asking a general question. It's not really shaykhs to this sugya. It's a general shayla. Why don't you say every tluya becomes possible by Hesach Hadas? Like Cain Omer Yechon Hesach Hadas V'Ar Toira Achuz Dam Kip Shimon Toira. Now Toira it's already considered like it has a mum. That's why you allowed to be matul mum. Chavishniya Toira. Chavishniya is Toira. Now Toira it's considered like it's very tomei, and that's why you allowed to be a tomei. So when it says Ein a Cain, it's not true. He watches this it shouldn't touch something. So it's interesting that fact of Heschadas. Heschadas means he totally doesn't think about it. He thinks it shouldn't touch something else because he knows it's a suffix. So the Mayas is not Masir Das. So it's an answer why don't we say it every Tluya should automatically become possible. Heiser Rabbi Yitzchak by the Bechir Kosoiva, the son of Yudik of the writer. Haga Atzcha Shoy Nesuna Gaba Gecholim. You're already about to burn it. It's talking about Erev Pesach, obviously. So why can't he mix it? You're right. Once it's already on the Gecholim, he's allowed to mix it. But until that, he's not allowed. So it means you can't just mix them in one bag together and put them in the Gecholim together. You have to first put them in the Gecholim and then you can mix it. Because as long as you're not Gabi Gecholim, you're not Masir Das from it. So it seems from here that Hesach Das means an Erev Pesach, because that's what we see from the Hemshech. It's from Gabi Gecholim. Lama Osir Lissav Tluya Matmeya. Lama Lissav Tluya Matmeya. Lama Osir Lissav Tluya Matmeya Erev Pesach. It seems it's talking about Erev Pesach. That's what it seems from the Hemshech of the Sugya. So the Gemara weiter. Amr Rabban Reb Shammai. Aten Amrim, you say, Reb Shammai says. Rabban is saying for Reb Shammai, you say, Rabbi Shimon Yoda Rabbi Yeshua. That's what he said. Shimon agrees to Rabbi Yeshua. That's what we said before, that Rabbi Shimon agrees to Rabbi Yeshua that it's mutter to Rabbi Yeshua's din, before we said, if Shimon said Choiris agrees that Rabbi Yeshua that says you're allowed to be metama the truma that goes labeled. I'm asking you, I feel like Rabbi Yeshua lays for Rabbi Yeshua. It's an interesting expression. It means even Rabbi Yeshua doesn't agree to Rabbi Yeshua. What is he trying to say? Which Rabbi Yeshua doesn't look like the Rabbi Yeshua? The Chavis and the pesachim. Pesachim is our Rabbi Yeshua that who's talking. Rabbi Yossi is talking. Rabbi Yossi says you're not allowed to burn Torah at Meah. Eina Yamida means Rabbi Yeshua. He's saying the so he's saying Rabbi Yeshua was not allowed to burn chametz Torah at Meah Pesach, even though it's already short shishis and it's going to the ibud. Still, it's going to the ibud. You're not allowed to be matama Truma Tahira, even though it goes to the ibud. And that's Rabbi Yeshua in Chav Shniyah says beferish it's mutter. So really, we had already answered that there's Hafsid Meruba, Hafsid Mu'at. But now the Gemara is like starting from a different angle here. He's saying that the Rabbi Yeshua from Chav Shniyah does not work out with the Rabbi Yeshua from our Mishnah. And the Gemara is going to answer, it's a Machlokes Tanam. Rabbi Meir, Rabbi Yeshua, Rabbi Shimon, Rabbi Yeshua. So this is like sort of, we had this already in the previous sugya. According to one Mahalach, that only Reb Meir would say that din of Chav Shniyah. The Gemara says not like that, but here the Gemara goes back to this, like Gemara's going back and forth here. Here's the Gemara going back to this svara in Chanama. It's two Tanoim. Reb Meir b'shem Yeshua is mater. That's Chav Shniyah. He's mater to be metama something that goes lahafsid. And our Mishnah, Reb Shimon b'shem Yeshua, you can say Reb Yossi or Reb Shimon. They both say Einei Hamida. You cannot burn Truma Tohem at Meir. Tama Tanina. Oh, now going back to Bechoros. Also b'mum merezel yishchat olav. Achama om yakes vash yas b'mum. Also b'mum. Merezel yishchat olav. Shimon oim yakes apshe is b'mum. There's three shittas here. Avuda says don't touch it. Chacham say yes, you could do it, but make sure you don't make a mum. Shimon says that you have no problem. You can do